Hi friends, in the last session we started that by inheritance. Okay, we are discussing about the concept called by inheritance. Okay, let me explain the last session one more time, and next I will explain with respect to by inheritance whatever things are there. I will explain for today. Okay, friends, please subscribe to my channel if you are watching my channel for the first time, and share it to your friends and who are learning towards technology, Python or any tech, any logicals. Okay, please subscribe to my channel if you are watching my channel for the first time. It gives me more encouragement and it gives to passion towards technology. Okay, first, by inheritance means whatever variables, methods, and constructors available in the parent class are by default available to the child class, and we are not required to rewrite. Okay, so whatever the variables, methods, and constructors available in the parent class by default available to the child class, and we are not required to rewrite explicitly. Okay, we are not required to rewrite explicitly. Hence, the main advantage of inheritance is code reusability. Okay, the hence main advantage of inheritance is a code reusability, and also we can extend the existing functionality with some more extra functionality. Okay, so inheritance means we can extend existing functionality with some more extra functionality is nothing but what inheritance. Okay, so for that I have wrote one small program. If you observe here, I'm taking static variable, instance method, static method, class method, and constructor in the parent class. In child class I'm creating I'm extending parent class, and I'm calling all members of parent class by using child class object reference. If you observe here. Okay, so this is nothing but we discussed as part of in the last session. And one more thing, so if suppose if a parent class having 10 methods and a child class having 5 methods, so whenever we are extending child class to parent class, so from the child class having, so on that case, from the above program, child parent class contains only 10 methods, but these methods are automatically available to the child class, and we are not required to rewrite. Okay, so parent class 10 methods and child class 5 methods. So whenever you are extending child class to parent class, automatically these 10 methods are available to this child class, and so finally parent class having 10 methods and child class having 15 methods. Okay, child class having 15 methods. Clear? Now observe here. Today whatever what I'm going to explain. So normally I want to write one note. So whatever, okay, whatever whatever members present in parent class, okay, whatever members present in parent class are by default available to the child class. Okay, by default available to the child class through inheritance. Okay, through inheritance. Okay, whatever members present in parent class are by default available to the child class through inheritance. Clear? Whatever members are present in parent class are by default available to the child class through inheritance process. Okay, observe here for that one small program how it will. So suppose I'm taking class parent class I'm taking. So in the parent class I'm taking one instance method m1. Okay, so here what I'm writing, okay, print print parent class method. So print parent class method, parent class method. Okay, parent class method. Next next what I'm taking means I'm taking child class. I'm taking child class extending parent class. So in the child class I'm taking same instance method, but is that is name is m2. Okay, print, okay, print child class method. Okay, child class method. So nothing but what a child class method. Observe here child class method. So observe here I've taken parent class method m1 instance method, child class extending parent class and taken m2 method, that is also instance method. So now I'm creating observe here. I'm creating object for child class. Okay, now I'm creating object for child class. So on the child class object reference, I can able to call parent instance method and child class instance method. Okay, because whenever you are extending parent class from child class, okay, whenever you are extending child class to parent class, so child class object reference have the capability to access parent class instance method and child class instance method. Okay, so observe the output carefully. So parent class method and child class method, right? Parent class method and child class method. Clear, right? So here I want to convey the point. Here I want to convey the point. Whatever, okay, whatever members present in parent class are by default available to the child class through inheritance concept. Okay, whatever members present in parent class are by default available to the child class through inheritance concept. Clear? Clear, right? Next. Next, observe carefully. Okay, next, observe carefully. Whatever, okay, whatever methods, okay, whatever methods here, whatever, okay, whatever methods, okay, whatever methods present in parent class, okay, whatever methods present in parent class are automatically 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 available automatically available to the child class. Okay, automatically available to the child class, and hence on the child class, okay, on the hence on the reference child class reference child class reference child class reference, we can call, we can call both both parent class methods, both parent class methods and the child class methods. Okay, both parent class methods and the child class methods. Clear? Whatever methods present in parent class are automatically available to the child class, and hence the child class reference we can call both the parent class methods and the child class method. Clear? Clear, right? So with respect to this, observe another program. Okay, with respect to this, observe another program. Observe another program. So on the parent class, okay, let me take new example. Same, I'm taking parent class. Okay, parent class having one static variable and having one constructor. Okay, I'm taking one constructor. Okay, I'm taking what? A constructor. Def underscore underscore init underscore underscore self dot b. Okay, self dot b is equal to 20. Okay, self dot b is equal to 20. Next, what I'm taking immediately, I'm taking class cp. Okay, child class extending parent class. Okay, child class extending parent class. Now c is equal to 30. Okay, c is equal to 30. Diff underscore underscore init underscore underscore. Okay, self. Okay, self. So here I've taken two static variables. One is parent class and one is a child class, and one instance variable that is initialized inside a constructor. Okay, inside a initialized constructor. Super dot underscore, and observe carefully this pointer, underscore underscore init. Okay, underscore underscore init self dot d is equal to 30. Self dot d is equal to 30. Now observe the points carefully. C is equal to child class object I'm creating, and I'm printing, okay, I'm printing C dot A C dot A C dot C and C dot D. Okay, C dot A, B, C, D. Clear? Now observe carefully. So the main answer is here only. So first I'm taking parent class having static variable and instance variable declared inside constructor. Now I have taken child class, one static variable constructor. Okay, one child class static variable inside constructor. I have taken instance variable. So first let me comment this example. Okay, let me comment this line. So we can say at line 1. Okay. Now observe carefully. If I execute this program, okay, if I execute this program, so this one will not be available. Okay, this one will not be available. Why it will not available? Observe carefully first. Whenever you created child class object, the reference child class object c dot a. So anyway, it is extending. It is available. C dot b. Okay, c dot b means anyway anyway it is available in parent class constructor. So this one will not be available due to we commented this at line 1. Due to commented at this line 1. C dot c means a child class anyway it is available and this one also available. So first observe here, let me execute by removing this one. Let me execute by removing that one and observe the output first. 10, 30 and 30. Okay, 10, 30 and 30. Observe carefully here. So 10, 30, let me take here some 50. Okay, observe now output 10, 30, 50. So we can say it is accessing parent class static variable and child class static variable and child class instance variable. So but okay if I give parent class instance variable, if I give parent class instance variable, a parent class instance variable inside constructor, so this time we'll get the observe here error. Okay, because C object has no attribute error. Okay, C object has no attribute error. Okay, now observe here. Let me remove the comment at this line. Okay, let me remove the comment at this line. Now observe the output in this case. Okay, now observe the output in this case. So what it is saying? Descriptor underscore underscore init underscore underscore super object needs an argument. Okay, needs an argument. Okay, needs an argument. So super we have to give in this way. If you observe here, we are getting 10, 20, 30, 50. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 50. Clear? So observe carefully. So what I am doing here means, suppose without commenting this line, okay, without commenting this line. So if we execute, it will access parent class static variable and a child class static variable and a child class constructor instance variable. It will access. But if you want to access a parent class instance variable which is declared inside constructor, okay, if you want to access parent class constructor which is declared inside a constructor, okay, so that time we have to use a super keyword. Okay, we have to use a super keyword inside constructor. Okay, super we can call only inside constructor only. Okay, inside constructor and a method. If you try to use super method out of anywhere, it will give error. Okay, it will give error. Clear? Now observe here. Okay, now observe here. So anyway we got the output, right? So this is nothing but what the output. Okay, let me write here and regarding to that note also I will give. So now observe here. Not okay. If we if we comment at line 1, if we comment at line 1, then then variable b is not available. A variable b is not available to the child class. To the child class. Okay, if we comment at line 1, then variable b is not available to the child class. Clear? So this is nothing but what not available to the child class. And if we run, if we run, we will get error. Okay, error saying this one, error saying this one. So this is the error. If we comment at line 1, then b is not available to the child class, and if we run, we'll get error saying attribute error, or c object now has no attribute b. Clear, right? So this is nothing but what child, by using inheritance. Okay, by using what inheritance. Clear? So in the next session, I'm going to explain the difference between is a and has a relationship. Okay, in the next session, I'm going to explain about is a relationship versus has a relationship. Okay, thank you, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you are having any questions or queries, please post your query in the comment section or reach out to my email ID in the given description. But if you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe and then like and share it to your friends who are learning towards technology. Okay, thank you, friends. Thanks for watching this video.